we have 3, 2, 4 base 5 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2 will be equal to a certain number in base 3. We need to perform this subtraction. First thing, we are going to start by changing these two numbers to base 10. The number 3, 2, 4 base 5 will simply be equal to 3 times 5 raised to the power 1, 2 plus 2 times 5 raised to the power 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power 0. This will simply be equal to 3 times 5 squared. 5 times 5 gives us 25 plus 2 times 5 raised to the power 1 remains 5 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power 0, 1. This will simply be equal to 3 times 25 is equal to 75 plus 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4 times 1 is 4. This will be equal to 25 plus 10 gives us 85 plus 4 gives 89. Next, we have to change the number 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2 to base 10. This will give us 1 times 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus the next digit is 0. We are going to leave it out plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. This will give us 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 is 16 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. This will give us 1 times 16 which is 16 plus 1 times 8 is 8 plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 times 1 is 1. This will be equal to 16 plus 8 gives us 24. 24 plus 2 gives us 26. 26 plus 1 gives us 27. Now we take 89 minus 27. This will simply be equal to 62. Next, we have to convert 62 to base 3. That's what we have to do. We are going to make use of repeated division. We send 3, the first column, 62 goes in. The next column, we write the remainders. 62 divided by 3, we know the whole number, that will simply be 20, and the remainder 2. If you divide 20 by 3, we know the whole number part will simply be 6, remainder 2, bring down 3. 6 divided by 3, the whole number part will simply be 2, remainder 0, bring down 3. 2 is less than 3. If we divide 2 by 3, the whole number part will be 0 and the remainder will be 2. We copy from bottom to top. It simply means number 62 in base 3 is 2, 0, 2, 2. We are going to conclude. Therefore, if you take 3, 2, 4 in base 5 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2, it will simply be equal to 2, 0, 2, 2 in base 3. We are done.